Okay, question 2. So we're looking at an acceleration. Remember, we have our SVA. So we're wanting to probably go that way because A is at the end. Just thinking and what I'd do. If the initial velocity of the object is negative 16 meters per second. So initial velocity. Initial means when it, like before it even starts timing. So when t equals negative 16, when t equals 0, velocity is negative 16. So that is what I've read from here, the initial velocity. What is velocity after 5 seconds? So let's go for this. So I've got a equals 2t. So I know that my velocity is going to be t squared 2 divided by 2, which gives me 1 plus some c. And I also know that the initial velocity is negative 16, so c must be negative 16 when t was 0. That's all very bad. That's a plus c minus 16, not plus 16. Okay, so I've got that. What is the velocity after 5 seconds? So v equals 25 minus 16. T is 5 squared. So that is 9 meters per second. So that was fairly easy, so long as you got that the initial velocity was when time is equal to 0. So these are maybe some little notes that you want to start making when you're thinking about kinematics. When is the particle at rest? The particle is at rest when velocity equals 0. So I have got t squared minus 16 equals 0. T 16, so t is plus or minus 4, so it's time, so we're not worried about negative time. So after 4 seconds, that's not very tardy.